Hello friends, today I was creating the uh, policy for protect the USB mass storage read and write access on the Autopilot device from the INTUNE, and I have also go through the multiple online articles, and but after that the policy is not successfully working on those devices. It's not blocking the read and write access in the Autopilot device. Then after finally I have find a new policy through which we can able to successfully block the read and write access of a USB mass storage device. So I'm just going to show you how can we create and apply the policy on the device so that the device can be protected, right? So please, as you can see on the device, okay. So first of all, we have to just create the group to add the machine and apply the or deploy the policy on this group. So now I'm going to create a new security group. So first of all, we have click the security, then enter the name of the group, USB block read write access. So I have created the security group with the name of the USB block read and write access. No need to roles assigned to this group, and now we have just click on the create. So now it's successfully created. Now we will go and create the policy. So first we'll click on the device, then click on the Windows, then again click on the configuration profile, and then needs to click here the on the create button. From the create policy, we have to select the platform like Windows 10 and later what is available. And now here need to select the templates. Under the templates, click on the administrative template, then create. And now we'll be here they give the policy name now, and we can also provide the description here, configuration profile, and now click on the next. Then needs to search here removable deny read access. This one needs to click and then click on the enable, then click on OK, then click on the next. No need to select the scope tags, then click on the next. Later we will include the group, then click on the next and create. So as you can see on the screen, it's showing the policy USB mass storage read and write access has been saved successfully. So policy has been created on the Intune portal. Now we will first of all add this machine in the newly created the security group. Then after we will deploy this policy on that group and we'll test this policy. So now going to the group and we'll search here the USB. Under the USB, needs to click on the refresh. Okay, so we have created the recently this one USB block read and write access here. Needs to click on the member and then click on the add member, and then under add member we can add this machine which is the 4KT, this machine in which I have logged in. So I have enrolled this machine in this portal. So I will be test the policy on this machine. So that's why I'm adding this machine to this group, and later we'll add the policy on this group. So now machine has been successfully added here. We'll check and refresh. Okay, now machine is showing here. Now we'll go to the policy from the device, Windows, configuration profile. From here you can find out the policy name, USB mass storage read and write access. Under this policy, as you can see on the dashboard, it's showing the zero succeeded, error, conflict, pending, everything. So these are the actually you can get the status of the policy from here. So let me add this policy to this group. So in the configuration setting, needs to click on edit, and then just a moment. Okay, here, sorry, in the assignment needs to click on edit, then click on add group, and in the add group we can USB read and write access. This group needs to select here. Okay, and here is the exclude group. So even if you have the any group, do you want to just do not want to block the read and write access of any machine or machine of any specific group, so you can just add that group in the exclusion list here in the excluded. So so in this group, this policy will not apply. All right, so we no need to just edit the exclusion any, so that's why we add only the security group in the testing. All right, now clicking on the review, then save and save. Now it has been deployed on the security group. Okay, now we can also check the status of this policy. Go to the device, then Windows profiles. Under the profile, can click on the policy. Under this policy, as you can see here, the platform, the group has been assigned. The one group has been assigned. You can assign the multiple groups here, right? And you can find out the status from the here. Right now, it's not reflecting. It will take some time, then it will reflect here. Okay, so let me refresh and sync the device so that policy can be forcefully sync on this device. So going to the device, then Windows, then this is the machine PF2 KT4A2. Under this machine, you can see there is a sync option, and you can also check the last check-in time, which is showing the 7:46:13, which is right now it's a 7:49. So 3 minutes back the machine was updated in this sync. So let me run the force sync from the Intune portal. Okay, so now the sync has been initiated. You can also check the status from the notification here. As you can see, the sync has been initiated few seconds ago. All right, and we can also run the force sync from the client end as well from the setting. So you can just click on the start menu, then setting, then go to the account setting, go to the access work and school, then click on the currently logged in user. Now click on the info tab, and then click on the sync tab, and this machine will take few minutes, and after that it will be get this uh, updated policy from the Intune. And for the time being, we can also check the policy status from the Intune. So need to click on the device, then click on the Windows configuration profiles. From here we can run this refresh. So still there is no any change in this policy status. Yeah, so now you can see earlier it was showing the blank status here. So as you can see now it's showing the policy has been successfully deployed on this machine. You can check the deployment status, which is the succeeded. And we need to also check the last check-in time on this machine. Let me check. Okay, so the last checking time is the updated, which is the 1 minutes back. So it was updated on the 7:51. So it has been updated, and we can check the pen drive on this machine. So let me show you the C drive and then I will connect the pen drive. Okay, so right now you can see on the C drive there is only getting the C drive. Now I will connect the pen drive. Yes, the pen drive has been connected, but now it is still showing the pen drive is connected in this machine. Okay, and let me try to browse this machine. Yeah, so as you can see, we are able to connect the pen drive, but we cannot be read or write anything in this drive. So it is showing the D drive is not accessible, the access is denied. So our requirement has been fulfilled and the policy is working fine for us. So this was the video for the explanation purpose. So thanks for your watching, and if you like, then please go ahead and like and subscribe.